So hey family, good morning. This is me, Jazzy. How's everybody doing? So I got me a new little, the little things that hang on your, for you hold your phone. This one, this one hangs on my mirror. Oh, it looks all right. I can see myself. But I think I'm going to have to take my stuff hanging off my mirror. So when I try to turn it around on the other side, I'm going to have to see. Let's see. I'm just coming from dropping off my grandkids at school. God. Man, these kids nowadays, I remember when we had to walk. Y'all remember when we had to walk to school? Now these kids, they get dropped off damn near to the door. Oh my God. Anyway, let's see how the back look. Okay, I look like y'all can see the streets pretty good. Let's see. Or maybe I can turn it this way. Oh, then you kind of see the feather. Oh, because the camera, where the hell the camera at? Oh, that's right. On my little thing I got from Hawaii, you can kind of see the feather. Oh, maybe I can fix it like that. All right, I think that's okay. Y'all can see. Oh, let's try that. Trying out my new, I don't know what's it called. What's it called? I think it's some kind of phone holder. I got the box in the house. Let's see how I look. Oh, okay. You can still see me. Oh, okay. This one might be, I have to learn how to grab it from the other end. This one might be a win-win. What you think? Oh, I think I like this one. Let's see. Let's show y'all the cars. All right, so you can see me driving. Okay. What y'all think about this one? Oh. Look like you guys can see pretty much everything that I can see. Oh yeah, this one hangs on to the mirror. I like that. I'm gonna show you guys the box. Excuse me, when I get home. All right, family. Just want to pop in and try out my new little gadget. See what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you think. You think it's a good buy? This one was, like all of them, $6.99, I think $7.99. Because this one right here, it has a little thing where you tighten up like a wrench onto your mirror. So the other one is stuck to the windshield. So this one I ain't got to worry about it falling down, just keeping it tight on the mirror. And as long as your mirror is good, you're good to go. Oh yeah, all right. You can see the people. I should go to Starbucks. What y'all think? Y'all want some Starbucks? Oh, you know what? I can. I have a Zoom thing at 8:30. I gotta change the time in my car. How many of y'all change the time in your vehicles? What about your microwaves? What about your stoves? Have you changed the time back on those? Or those who time change? Excuse me. I'm tired. So, okay. We just riding along. We heading back home. Took the kids to school. Oh yeah. Stop by the store this morning. Like I said, I got an appointment at 8:30 with Zoom. So I got to get back for that. Yeah. Alright. I think my little thing is not shaking like the other one. It seemed pretty sturdy. I think I got a winner this time. Let me know what you guys think. About the little one. I'm gonna show you the box that I got. I bought it last night when I was at Burlington's. I gotta remember to grab it from the right end, from the right angle. Okay. I can see you. You can see me. Oh, okay. So yeah, how many of y'all have changed y'all clocks back? You know? I know I need to change the time in my car. I need to change the time on the stove. I'm glad my watch and everything. Let me see. Okay, my Fitbit changed automatically. Gotta get my steps in. Gotta keep up with it. Alright, well, I was just reviewing my new little phone holder. So I'll be able to drive and talk with you guys, you know, trying to do some new things. Even look like even my phone looks clear. I'll just probably make sure this time I clean the cameras. You know, sometimes you forgot your fingerprints be all on, be looking kind of smeared, blurred. I need to get gas, but you know what? I'm not gonna stop. How much is gas where you guys at? Gas down here. I usually get it from Sam's Club because it's cheaper. It's like $4 something. The other gas station like almost $6 a gallon. Some of them is $6. You know, so I go to Sam's Club. I pay like I think it's like $4.50 something. Yeah, but I think when I drive the Mercedes, then that gas only can put 91 in there. That gas is higher. I'm like, oh my God. You know? Well, I guess you got to pay for what you want. So yeah, but I think that even the 91 at Sam's Club is a little bit cheaper. It's not like it is at the regular gas stations. All right, family. Well, I was just popping on. Oh, excuse me. I'm tired. I'm just popping on. I was taking the kids to school, and I'm on my way back, and I just wanted to try out my new little gadget. It seemed to be working good. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. All right. So this is a little review of the rear view mirror phone holder. That's what I think it is. Like I said, I got the box at home. I will show you guys. I'll add it to the video that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, and this right here, you can turn it 360. You got little buttons on it. You can squeeze and adjust. Oh yeah, this is a good. Oh yeah, I like this one. I got it from Burlington's. Oh, why am I in this lane? Oh God, you know them people act like they. You know what? What about the people act like they can't merge when they be driving? Oh God, I hate riding behind them people. Oh, what about the people who want to turn? Then they be way out in the middle of the street trying to turn. You know? I told my daughter she got to get a nanny. Yep, she need to make enough money to get a nanny so they can, you know, take the kids to school. Because, you know, I told you guys, I'm on my living my best life tour, right? I'm going to be traveling. Yeah. Who want to go with me? You want to go? Or if you going somewhere, take me with you. Give me a call, okay? I'm ready. Got my passport and everything. I want to try to take a first cruise. I'm signed up with this solo cruise group. I want to try that. I'm going to try it. I was trying to wait for my daughter and them, but she's talking about going through the snow. I don't know. The Utah, Colorado, somewhere where they got real snow. Because we've been going to Big Bear. They've been having snow up there, but the other snow is like snow. You know, where it's cold. So, yeah. All right, people. Well, I'm going to end this little video unless you guys want to just see where I'm going. You want to see where I'm going? I'll let y'all see what's going on. Look at how the sky look. It look like it's gonna rain, yeah. I'm gonna do my little juicing today. You know, I gotta get back to juicing and stuff. Cause I had stopped because they were talking about how apples has a lot of sugar in it, right? And if you're trying to do the weight loss thing, they say apples is really one of the fruits you should try to exclude. But you know what? Every time you do a juice, you put apple in it because it makes it taste, you know, give it that natural sweetness. So I kind of stopped it for me. Look at this man. Do y'all see him? He gonna get his ass knocked out. It look like he on a little scooter. I don't know. It look like he too big for that thing right there. What is that? It look like. Yeah. Hopefully he going right up here to this to the college right here. I don't know why he didn't turn right here. Maybe he gonna go to the back way over there. This road here by Fullerton College. I gotta make sure I go slow behind him. Bicycle lane. He should be over there in the bicycle lane. Yeah, I need to get around him. He need to get his ass on over. Like I said, I got an appointment. He up here BSing around. He going on. Got 10 minutes to get home and get situated. Oh yeah, my granddaughter had her little clothes on today, looking like a big kid. Yeah, she had some little combat boots on. Her little, she liked the little knee-high socks and stuff. She looked like a big old kid. Yeah, I'm like, look at my pudding. I took a picture of her, but she was walking. I'm gonna try to see if I can insert it a little bit so y'all can see. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go home, probably make me some tea, and I'm gonna do my juicing. I got a pineapple I need to use. I got some turmeric, some ginger. I'm gonna do some pineapple shots, pineapple and orange shots. So I can get back on my little shots, taking them every day. I'm gonna do that. And yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna juice. I miss my little green juice. I'm gonna do some green juice. I think I got some spinach or something in the refrigerator. I'm gonna look and see. seems like there's more and more cars on the street. What is this truck doing? Why you pull it out? You know it was opening for you to get in there. That's what I'm saying. You know what? Some people, you don't know where they get their license at. You know, I got 7 minutes. I gotta hurry up. People, I'm gonna show you the box when I get home of this product that we reviewing, and I like it, and I think you'll like it too. It's good. I think it's $6.99. Yep, I think this is better than the other one. You know what? I was gonna get one hang on the mirror at first. Glad it's not too heavy. You trying to, All right, see you in a minute with the box and the name. Okay, family, this is what I got hanging on my mirror. It hangs up there like that. You can rotate it different ways. And this is how it look on the back. Remember, they got a little metal thing. They got these little things right here that you can adjust to make it bend over. Okay, so this is it. And I paid over $7.99 for this. All right, so this is it. That's what we reviewed while we was driving the car. It can fit from 3.5 to 6.5 inch size phone. You know, the thing can go, it moves. It's really nice. Completely turn around. Yeah, all right, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. I got this at Burlington's. It's a good deal.